Welcome to this PV Manager tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can use the image overlay. On the left side in the menu, you will find the rectangular building and the polygon flat roof. Also, the topic tools is available. Here you can find the image overlay. If you click on it and hold the mouse, you can create an empty space for an image. In the right menu, you will find the button Load Image, and here you can take a picture you want. If possible, the picture was taken about 90 degrees above the roof. To adjust the size, you can click on Adapt the Image Scaling. Here you draw a line on the edge of the roof where you know how long it is. This length you can type in for the selected distance and click on OK. The picture is now adjusted to the real size. That you can see in the scale above the picture or on the left side from the picture. Now you can start to create your building. With the help of the picture, you can create a rectangular building or a polygon flat roof. You can also turn your building depending how the picture is under it.